Hello students. Now in this video we will discuss magnetism and matters, chapter number 5 and lecture number 5. First point, that is torque on a magnetic dipole. This is very simple. We know that torque on an electric dipole, we know the formula. If this is electric dipole and it is placed in a uniform electric field, then torque on electric dipole is what? P cross E. In magnitude form, PE sine theta. You all know, okay? Similarly, in magnetic dipole, if the magnetic dipole is placed in a uniform magnetic field, then torque will be equals to, we know that P is analogous to M and E is analogous to B, where P is the electric dipole moment and M is the magnetic dipole moment, E is the electric field vector and B is the magnetic field vector. Okay, this is very simple, you all know. In magnitude form, you can write tau is equals to mb sine theta, where theta is the angle between magnetic moment vector and magnetic field vector. Okay, hope you are understanding. Means if the magnetic dipole or magnetic needle is placed in a uniform magnetic field, then torque on the magnetic needle or magnetic dipole will be equals to mb sine theta. Okay, now second point, potential energy of a magnetic dipole. What is potential energy? Potential energy is the thing but work done to rotate the magnetic dipole or magnetic needle in a uniform magnetic field. Means if we have to calculate potential energy, we will calculate what? That is work. Very good. Now let us try to calculate potential energy. Potential energy will be equals to work done. This will be equals to integration dW, and integration dW, you know that W is equals to, or dW is equals to f dx, where x is the linear displacement, or dW is equals to if tau d theta, where theta is the angular displacement. Okay, now in place of dW we can write tau d theta. In place of tau you can write mb sine theta, mb sine theta d theta from theta 1 to theta 2. Now let us try to integrate. mb is constant and integration of sine theta is minus cos theta from theta 1 to theta 2. You can take minus common, minus mb cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. This is the formula for the potential energy in a dipole, in a magnetic dipole. Okay, now here is the special cases, or you can write if theta 1 is equals to 90 degree and theta 2 is equals to theta, means the magnetic dipole is rotated from 90 degree to a particular angle, that is theta. What you will have? You will have cos 90 is 0. The potential energy formula U will be equals to minus mb cos theta, because m and b both are vectors, vector quantity. Then you can write m vector m dot vector m dot vector b that this is the formula for the potential energy stored in a magnetic dipole when it is rotated in a uniform magnetic field. Okay, now let us move toward the special cases. Special case number 1, if theta is equals to 0 degree, then u will be equals to what? Cos 0 is 1, then u will be equals to minus mb. Case number 2, if theta is equals to 90 degree, u will be equals to 0 because cos 90 is 0 and potential energy stored will be 0. Third point, if theta is equals to 180, u will be equals to what? U will be equals to cos 180 is minus 1 and minus minus will become plus, that means plus mb. You know that in these 3 cases, case number 1 have minimum energy and case number 3 that have maximum energy. Minimum energy will be stable equilibrium and maximum energy unstable equilibrium. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching this video.